Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into a beloved beverage that many of us can't start our day without, coffee. But not just any coffee. We're going to discover how to make a coffee that can boost your health and vitality. So grab your favorite mug and let's get brewing. Coffee is more than just a morning pick-me-up. It's packed with antioxidants and nutrients that can promote good health when consumed in moderation. Now let's look at how to prepare a healthier cup of coffee. First things first, let's choose the right coffee. Opt for organic whole bean coffee whenever possible. This ensures there are no harmful pesticides or chemicals. Today I have some beautiful dark roast organic beans. Let's grind our beans to a medium coarse consistency. Freshly ground coffee can enhance the flavor and aroma, giving you a superior coffee experience. Always remember, the grind size matters. Next, let's add water to our coffee maker. Ideally, use filtered water to avoid any impurities that can alter the taste of your coffee. Now let's brew. While our coffee is brewing, let's prepare some healthy additions. This powerhouse spice can help regulate blood sugar levels and adds a lovely warmth to your coffee. Just a sprinkle will do. Adding a teaspoon of high-quality coconut oil can provide healthy fats, which may increase energy and support weight loss. Instead of regular dairy milk, consider unsweetened almond milk, which is lower in calories and has more nutrients. Now that our coffee is ready, let's pour it into our mug and add those healthy ingredients. Stir it all together for a delicious and health-conscious cup of coffee. That tastes amazing. Not only does this coffee boost your mood and focus, but it also supports your overall health. Remember, moderation is key. Enjoy this as part of a balanced diet. Just to recap, the benefits of this health-boosting coffee include rich in antioxidants, supports blood sugar control thanks to cinnamon, provides healthy fats with coconut oil, and is a lower calorie option with almond milk. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a coffee that not only tastes great, but also promotes strong health. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite coffee hacks. See you next time.